Welcome to X1 Media City reception area. This is where we have overnight security every evening. You can make full use of our on-site gym. This is open 24/7 for tenants with fob access. We also have dining facilities on site for tenants to use. This is ideal if you've got guests around for socialising. You can cook your meals here, and again we throw some great X1 events in this room. Welcome to our cinema room. This is accessible for tenants to use 24/7, perfect for sports events, having friends round, watching films, and we also do great X1 social events as well. Welcome to X1 Media City. Come and take a look at one of our show flat apartments. As you can see, this is the amazing master bedroom in our show flat apartment. We do provide your double bed, your wardrobe, chest of drawers and bedside table, along with an amazing ensuite bathroom. This is the second bedroom in our 2-bedroom apartment. Within this amazing building, we also have studios, 1, 2 and 3-bedroom apartments available to rent. Take a look at the fantastic living space in our show flat apartment. This does come provided with your basic furniture. However, soft furnishings have been provided here to show you what you can do with your own space. Yours will come as a blank canvas to do with what you want. Our kitchen areas are finished to a superior standard, and they include your fridge freezer, your electric hob and your oven.